Silverstar-robot. Focus on intelligent technology. Committed to bringing people a more convenient life. In the production workshop of Silverstar-robot 54 by internet injection, molding machines of BORCHE are running efficiently. Silverstar-robot has a number of independent intellectual property rights and patented technologies. Achieved remarkable results in the fields of intelligent robots, automated production lines, and industrial internet. Silverstar-robot intelligence relies on excellent craftsmanship to create high-quality intelligent sweepers. BORCHE by internet injection molding machine has strong versatility, condensed the innovative crystallization of BORCHE's 20 years of intelligent injection molding machines. 1. Strong versatility. The machine is powerful and precise in control. Stable performance and strong versatility. 2. Modular design. Modular design of the machine, flexible to meet customer needs. 3. Interconnection. Intelligent professional control system to meet customer digital factories. 4. Performance upgrade. A variety of injection screws are available. Increased power, faster injection speed, wider molding range, melting glue back pressure oil circuit, faster response and more accurate. BORCHE and Silverstar robot intelligence work together to create a comfortable and healthy life for you.